1950s standards and are damp, nasty, and smelly. A thin layer of plastic-like Black 6 mill breaks down over time and doesn't trap all the moisture from the dirt floor and porous concrete walls. And foundation vents only make the problem worse by allowing hot, humid air to enter the crawl space and eventually your home. This creates the perfect breeding ground for pests and rodents, providing a thriving environment for mold and bacteria. Saturates and rots the floor framing system, making you and your home sick. The building scientists and engineers now understand that an encapsulated, conditioned crawl space is the right way to build a home today. So, transform your crawl space and protect your home with an AquaStop encapsulation system. AquaStop Crawl Seal is a true 20 mil thick crawl space liner. The multiple layers of high-performance polyethylene and reinforced cord grids provide the industry's best puncture, tear, and abrasion resistance. The encapsulation liner is made from virgin resins, not from scrap materials, and therefore is naturally mold and bacteria resistant. UV stabilizers prevent the material from getting hard, brittle, and deteriorating, unlike cheap imitation liners. The first step of installing AquaStop Crawl Seal is to seal the vents and any other major air leaks to the outside. Next, the encapsulation liner is mechanically fastened to the walls and sealed around all columns, pipes, and other obstructions. This ensures that the liner can never be pulled from the walls by crawling on it. Now, any leakage and water vapor coming through the porous walls is directed down under the liner. The encapsulation liner is then skillfully installed across the crawl space floor. All joints are tightly seamed, and the top edge is sealed to the wall. Your home is now protected with the AquaStop Crawl Seal liner. As you can see, your crawl space will be clean, neat, and much brighter. No more smelly odors, and you don't have to worry about getting dirty when you use it for storage. You'll save money on energy costs, and it's a distinguishing feature when you go to sell your home. Now that your home is encapsulated, the next step is to address the crawl space door and condition the crawl space with the AquaStop air system.
So just to recap real quick, the crew will go ahead and airtight insulate the entire crawl space, so covering up all vents and air pockets. Next, we will go ahead and adhere the liner so that nothing will separate it from the foundation wall, and it is securely fastened. Here's a look at the completed project. I know that this has not been discussed yet. You can kind of see the air system, which leads me to the next video. The AquaStop Crawl Space air system.
While isolating your home from the earth and humid outside air is necessary, the crawl space air must be actively dried to prevent future mold growth, rot, and odors. This is critical because the natural airflow in your home is from bottom to top. Your home actually draws air, like a chimney. Building scientists refer to this as the stack effect, and their research shows that up to 50% of the air on the first floor of your home comes from your crawl space. So, in order to have dry, clean air upstairs, the air in your crawl space must also be cleaned, dried, and circulated. The best solution is the AquaStop Crawl Space air system. The system is uniquely designed for the harsh demands of the crawl space. Mervate filtration technology is used to remove particles down to an incredible 2 microns in size. This includes all airborne mold spores. After the air has been cleaned, it must now be dried. The AquaStop Crawl Space air system removes up to 95 pints of water per day, lowering the relative humidity to a healthy level at which mold cannot grow. Once the air has been cleaned and dried, the industrial strength blower circulates this air throughout your crawl space at over 250 cubic feet per minute, exchanging the entire volume of air more than 3 times an hour. So this means your crawl space and everything in it is dry. And it's this same clean, dry air that now moves through your entire home. The AquaStop crawl space air system helps protect the health of both your home and those who live in it.
So just to see a closer look, here is a filter that can be replaced on a yearly basis. Closer look at our technology. So we can set the humidity range exactly where we want. It's way more active, or way more accurate, keeping our humidity levels in the ideal zone. The air system is extremely efficient, uses less energy than other systems out there on the market. In addition to the air system, we would do a custom framed door for your crawl space. You can see the framing being built out. It ends up being weatherproofed, airtight. The sealant ensures that the environment is controlled. You have completely changed the environment. This is eliminating any future concern. There's an example of what the crawl space door would look like at completion, and what your changed environment crawl space would look like at the very end. This is our permanent solution for your crawl space. This alleviates any future concerns. It's warranted and installed by Groundworks employees, experts in this specific trade, providing you peace of mind moving forward. How does that sound as a permanent solution for your home?